Same thing, we're going to hit the menu button. Now, if you're already done, just be quiet, pay attention, and see if you got the same answer. I want to make, basically what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the calculator so it looks like this. So I need it to look like that when I put it in the calculator. So I'm going to hit calculus, go to sum, okay, and then I'm going to say K, right cursor, 1. Now this is the tricky part. To make it look like this, I'm going to say 3 times, then I have to start parentheses, -4, then I'm going to say caret symbol, then I'm going to say K minus 1. See how I got it to look just like it is in the parentheses? See how what I have on my paper looks just like that on the calculator? Then I'm going to put 7 in for my upper boundary, and I'm going to hit enter, and you get 9,831. How many of you guys got 9,831? If you didn't enter it into the calculator, right? So if you didn't get this number, plug it back into your calculator and make sure you have it plugged in this way.
So after the 4 you start another 4?
After the 4 you just hit the caret symbol. Well, you can close the parentheses and then you can